वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक्निकल दीक्षा। एंड आज मैं आपको M2R4 इंटरनेट टेक्नोलॉजी एंड वेब डिज़ाइन जनवरी 2020 के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कराने जा रही हूँ। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहले देखते हैं विच इज़ द फर्स्ट इंटरनेट सर्च इंजन। बी। नेक्स्ट, हु इज़ मेकिंग द वेब स्टैंडर्ड्स। सी। Next, to set up the window to capture all click events, we use which of the following statement? A. Next, if you want to align text to the right side of an block element in a cascading style sheet, then which of the following property would you use? A. Next, router operates at which layer? A. Next, data communication system spanning states, countries or the whole world is B. Next, expand WAN. B. Next, in TDM, slots are further divided into A. Next, flow control is performed at which of the following layer? C. Next, in the layer hierarchy, as the data packet moves from the upper to the lower layer, headers are A. चलिए ट्रू फॉल्स में आ जाते हैं। पहला लेते हैं, a network interface card is an expansion card or a PC card that connects your computer to a network and provides the doorway for information to flow in and out. True. Next, a switch is a device that connects multiple computers into a network in which multiple communications links can be in operation simultaneously. True. Next, a firewall is software and or hardware that protects a computer or network from intruders. True. Next, a WAN covers a large geographic distance such as a state, country or even the entire world. True. Next, a repeater is a device that receives a radio signal, strengthens it and sends it on. True. Next, a computer network consists of 5 or more computers connected to one another. False. Next, in an instance method or a constructor, this is a reference to the current object. True. Next, the JRE deletes object when it determines that they are no longer being used. This process is called garbage collection. True. Next, HTML is not an encoding scheme which is used to create a web page. False. Next, MIME stands for Multi-Purpose Internet Main Extension. True. चलिए मैचिंग में आ जाते हैं। पहला लेते हैं, द स्ट्रक्चर और फॉर्मेट ऑफ डाटा इज कॉल्ड D. नेक्स्ट, कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन अ कंप्यूटर एंड अ कीबोर्ड इन्वॉल्व्स C. नेक्स्ट, the first network E. Next, a set of rules that governs data communication A. Next, extensible markup language F. Next, does error 404 or not found error will assess while accessing a URL mean G. Next, summation operations is performed on the bits to check an error detecting code H. Next, an error detecting code inserted as a field in a block of data to be transmitted is known as B. Next, what protocol is used between email servers J. Next, frames from one LAN can be transmitted to another LAN via the device I. चलिए अब FIV में आ जाते हैं। पहले लेते हैं in CSS what does this can be called as H. Next, and dash rule can be used to define style rules for multiple media type in a single embedded style sheet J. Next, a single that rule can be used in an external sheet to define character set encoding of the style rules and values K. Next, and dash rule is used to define a page block for printed styles I. Next, URL stands for G. Next, TCP IP over internet is a dash network model A. Next, each machine on a network is called a B. Mac is a property of computer C. Next, range for class C IP address is F. Next, encrypted data of sniffing can be read by tool or software whose name is E. So friends, आपके ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गए हैं। So friends, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा और मेरे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा ताकि आपको और भी इसी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, बाय।